Welcome back to Crypto Intel, the channel where we break down the crypto market with clear analysis, real insights, and the latest developments shaping the future of digital finance. Right now, there's a shift happening around HBAR. Not obvious, not loud, but if you look closely, you can feel it. Something is changing, and the truth is, most people are not ready for what's coming next. Because in crypto, the biggest moves don't come with warnings. They don't come with clear signals. They come after periods of doubt, after uncertainty, after the market convinces you that nothing is about to happen. So the real question is, what if this is one of those moments? Today we're going to break everything down. We'll talk about what happens before major moves, what signs the market gives, what's happening with HBAR right now, and why this phase might be more important than it looks. And if you enjoy crypto analysis, market insights, and deep dives into promising blockchain projects, make sure to subscribe to Crypto Intel and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. Let's start with something important. Markets don't move when people expect them to. They move when people are unprepared. Because preparation creates stability, and lack of preparation creates reaction. Now think about this. When everyone is ready for a move, it usually doesn't happen, or it happens differently. But when people are unsure, when they hesitate, when they doubt, that's when the market can surprise. Now let's connect this to HBAR. Right now, HBAR is not generating massive hype. It's not dominating headlines. It's not creating excitement. And that's exactly what makes this moment interesting, because quiet phases often come before strong moves. Now, does this guarantee something big is about to happen? No, but there are patterns worth paying attention to. First, behavior. If price starts moving in a controlled way, it can signal preparation. Second, sentiment. If people are losing interest, it can create space for a move. Third, structure. If the market is forming a base, it can become the foundation for growth. Now here's where things get interesting. Before major moves, the market often creates doubt. It makes people question their decisions. It makes them hesitate. And sometimes, it pushes them out. Now imagine this. You're watching the market. Nothing is happening. Price is moving slowly. You start thinking, maybe this isn't the right asset. Maybe I should look elsewhere. And that's exactly the moment where things can change. Now let's talk about what happens next. When the market finishes this phase, movement begins. At first, it's subtle, then it builds, then it accelerates. And suddenly, what looked quiet becomes explosive. Now let's talk about the two scenarios. Scenario 1, upward move. If buyers take control and momentum builds, HBAR can start moving higher. And once attention returns, that move can accelerate. Scenario 2, extended consolidation. The market takes more time, builds more structure, and delays the move. This is always possible. But here's the key point. Both scenarios lead to change, because the market cannot stay in one phase forever. Now let's bring fundamentals into the picture. Hedera is positioned as infrastructure for real-world applications. It uses Hashgraph, offering speed, efficiency, and scalability. And while fundamentals don't create instant moves, they support long-term narratives. If that narrative strengthens, the market can respond. Now let's talk about psychology, because this is where most people lose. Not because they don't understand the market, but because they don't understand themselves. They react to noise, they chase movement, they avoid uncertainty, and they miss opportunity. Now let's bring everything together. We have a quiet market, low attention, growing uncertainty, and a project with strong fundamentals. This creates a situation where something may be building, not visible yet, but real. And if that buildup turns into momentum, the move that follows could surprise a lot of people. In my opinion, HBAR is currently in a phase where the market is not ready, not expecting, not prepared. And that's exactly why this moment matters. So the real question is, are you ready, or will the move catch you off guard? Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you believe something big is coming for HBAR, or is this just another quiet phase? And if you enjoyed this breakdown and want more crypto analysis, market insights, and deep dives into promising blockchain projects, don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Intel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.